Now, and the question, let me repeat one of the questions I gave before. So we'll just use it and learn what we need to do. Then we now go to Venn diagram. From Venn diagram, we are done with set. Then we now do the main thing we are supposed to do today. So they say that let the universal set be equal to the set of A, B, C up to I. Okay, let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, and then I say that let A be equal to the set of A, E, I, O, and U, and then B be equal to A, B, I, O. Okay, so we have this. And then the first question here said we should find A union B. The second question said we should find A intersection B. The third question said we should find A symmetric B. The fourth question said we should find A difference B. The fifth question said we should find B difference A. The sixth question said we should find A prime union B prime. The seventh question says we should find A union B all prime. The eighth question says we should find A prime intersection B prime. The ninth question says we should find A intersection B all prime. The 10th question says we should find A symmetric B all prime. The 11th question says we should find A prime symmetric B prime. Okay? The 12th question, number 12, says we should find A prime difference B prime. The 13th question says we should find B prime difference A prime. The 14th question says we should find the cardinality of A, written like any of A. The 15th question says we should find card B. Card B means cardinality of B. So why I wrote it this way is that you can see it in two ways. They can tell you to find N of A or card of A. N of A means the number of elements in A, which is the same thing as the cardinality of A. So you should take note of that. Then number 16 said we should find the power of B. Okay. Number 17 said we should list all the subsets of B. Okay? Huh? Up. I did not put what? Okay, cross. Thank you very much. Number 18 say we should find A cross B. A cross B. Number 19 say we should find B cross A. Number 20 say we should find what else am I missing here? This is prime, small I on top, a bit small one on top like this. It's prime. So number 20 said we should find what? What are we supposed to find for number 20? Okay, so let me give you time to solve from number 1 to 10. Let's see what you can get. Try from number 1 to 5. Okay, let's say from number 1 to 5. Let's see what you can get from number 1 to 5. I hope those online can see the board clear. If you cannot see the board clear, you let us know. Okay. So now, looking at these questions, I hope the tripod is not obstructing your view. Is it obstructing your view? You can shift to this way a little bit. Thank you. So now, if you look at the first question, we are asked to find union. Who can remind me what is union? What does union mean? Union means what? Bringing them together without repeating any element. Do you know? Yes. Union means just to bring them together without repeating any element. So let us unite them. Let me refill my mark. So you can be solving, as you're waiting for me, you can be solving, then later we'll not check my own answer with your own, if they are the same. You can be solving while I'm trying to refill my marker. Then later we check if they are the same. Okay, so let's go. We are asked to find A union B. Look at our A, look at our B. Let us unite them. If I unite them, I'm going to be having A, B, arranged alphabetically, A, B, I, O, and U. Is that correct? Is that correct? Eh? Which one okay, E is not there. Thank you. So A, B, E, then I, O, U. Am I correct now? Okay, so union means just to bring them together without repetition of any element. Don't repeat any element. That's union. So number 2 is intersection. Now, intersection simply means what they have in common, the common elements. That's intersection. Intersection simply means what? Intersection simply means what? The common element. So if you look at A and B, what do you think they have in common? A, arrange very well. A, I, and what? And O. God bless you. These are the common elements. Now, for symmetric, symmetric simply means the uncommon element. Intersection is the common element. Why symmetric is the what? The uncommon element, the one that is not common. So if you take A and B, which one they don't have in common? Let's go. Arrange very well. Arrange very well. B, B and E alone. B, E, U. Any other one? Okay. Now, another formula for symmetric. Let me write it here. Watch me. Another formula for symmetric is A symmetric B simply means the difference between their union and the intersection. The difference between the union and intersection. I hope you know that this slash means difference. They can use the normal minus or they use slash instead. It's the same thing. So symmetric simply means whatever I can see in their union that I cannot see in their intersection is symmetric. If you don't want to say the uncommon element, you can simply say whatever I can see in their union that I cannot see in their intersection. So let's go. Tell me what you can see in their union. Look at the union here. Tell me anything you can see here that you cannot see here. Tell me, let's go. B, E, U. Is it the same thing with what we got? You see, they are the same thing. So it's either you say the uncommon element or you say the difference between what? The union and the intersection. So any of them will give you the same answer. So now, let us go to A. Let me use minus here so that you will know that it means difference as well. So A slash B means A difference B. And difference simply means what you can see in the first one that you cannot see in the second one. Very simple. What you can see in the first one that you cannot see in the second one. Are you with me? So what you can see in A that we cannot see in B. Or you tell me, let's go. What I can see here that I cannot see here. Somebody say B. Is B here? E and U. Okay, E and what? U. And U. Okay. Any other one? Any other one? Okay. So what about B difference A? B difference A simply means what? What you can see where? Thank you. What you can see in B that you cannot see in A. So let's go. Tell us. B. Only B? Yes. Any other one? Now, a set who has just one element in it is called what? A singleton set. Any set who has just one element is called what? A singleton set. You can write it down somewhere. A set who has just one element in it is called a singleton set. From the word single, you have singleton. Singleton set. Take note of that. Very important. But a set who does not have any element at all in it is called what? An empty set or a null set. You don't call it empty set, you call it what? A null set. N-double-L. N-U-double-L. A null set. Okay? So another one. Now look at this one now. This one said we should find A complement union B complement. Now, anytime you hear complement, the main thing that you should take note of is the universal set. Complement simply means what we can see in the universal set that we cannot see in that set. For example, A complement simply means what I can see in the universal set that I cannot see in A. B complement simply means what I can see in the universal set that I cannot see in what? In B. Are you getting it? A union B all complement simply means what I can see in the universal set that I cannot see in the union. Are you getting the gist now? So anything complement, the first person that should come to your mind is the universal set. That's the main person that should come to your mind. So if you get this one here, let us get all the complements here. So for me to get A complement, it simply means the universal set minus A, which is what I can see in the universal set that I cannot see in A. Alright, let's go. Tell me about it. B, C, D, F, G, H. Thank you very much. So what about B complement should be what? What I can see in the universal set that I cannot see in B. Alright, tell me about that. Let's go. C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay? So now, they are now saying we should now unite the two of them. The two we've gotten there, we should unite it. Or tell me the union now. The union of the two of them should now be what? B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay. So now look at this one. This one simply means, since the complement is outside here, this one means what I can see in the universal set that I cannot see in the union. So if you go to the universal set, anything you can see in this universal set that you cannot see in their union, that's the meaning of A union B complement. Or you tell me the answer. What you can see in the universal set that you cannot see in this union. Let's go. C, D, F, G, H. Is that all? Okay. So who can tell me what this one means now? A complement intersection B complement. What does it mean? What is common between these two complements? Is it not true? What is common? Tell me what is common between them. Let's go. C, D, F, G, H. Okay? So now, who can tell me what this one is? A intersection B complement outside. Who can tell me the meaning? God bless you. What is in the universal set that is not in the intersection? What is in the universal set that is not in the intersection? So tell me that. Let's go. B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. There is a law. Look up here. There is a law that said if I have A union B and the complement is outside. Now, if I want to clear this complement to come inside, that this one will change from union to intersection. So this thing must give you the same answer as A complement intersection B complement. Let us check if it is true. All right, let's check. A union B all complement must give the same answer as A complement intersection B complement. Are they the same answer? You see, they are the same. That's the law. Look at another law that says if I have A intersection B all complement, that if the intersection is coming inside, if the prime is coming inside, intersection will not change to what? To union. So the answer should be what? A complement union B complement. Or you check if the two of them are the same. A complement union B complement must be the same thing as A intersection B complement. Are they the same? Yes. You see, they are the same. So it's a law that you should take note of. It's a law that you should take note of. Is a law that you should take note of. So now, who can tell me what this one is? Asymmetric B complement. What does it mean? Asymmetric B complement. What does it mean? What is where that is not where? You can tell me. Asymmetric B complement. You cannot sit down here. Yes. What is in the universal set that is not in the symmetric? So now, what is here that is not here? All right, let's go. Tell us. A, C, D, F, G, H. Is that all? Okay. Who can tell me what this one is now? A complement symmetric B complement. What does it mean? A complement symmetry, B complement. What does it mean? God bless you. The uncommon element between these two people, the one they don't have common. Yes? Tell us. The one they don't have in common. Let's go. B, B and what? B and E. Is that all? Okay, B and E. So we move to the other side. I need can you look around if there's a duster? Let me use this one. Okay. Permit me to clean this side. So remember that this first one is A complement and the second one is B complement. So that we can have space to answer this. This is A complement and B complement. So who can tell me the meaning of this one? A complement minus B complement. Excellent. What is in A complement that is not in what? In B complement. Tell us, what do we have?
B and E. B and E.
B and E. What is here that is not here? B. And what do we call this type of set? A singlet set. God bless you. What about this one? What does this one mean? What is the what? B complement that is not in B. A complement. So tell us, what is it? E. Any other one? Now, another important formula for A symmetric B. Watch. Another important formula for A symmetric B is A symmetric B can be A minus B union B minus A. Let's check if it is correct. A minus B, look at that. A minus B, we got it as what? EU. B minus A, we got it as what? B. So to unite both of them now, what do we have? To unite both of them, what do we have now? B what? DEU. DEU. Is it the same thing as the symmetric we got? You see, it's the same thing. So symmetric has three formulas. It has three formulas. And I'm proving it here. This is the first formula. This is the second formula. And the third one is simply what they don't have in common. So anyone you like can give you symmetric. So write that down. Write that down. So N of A simply means the cardinality of A. And cardinality simply means what? Who can tell me what cardinality means? The number of elements in that set. So let us count. The number of elements in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the cardinality of A is what? 5. Are you with me? Are you with me? So the cardinality of B should be what? 4. I hope you know the reason I wrote it in these two patterns. So that anyone they ask you, you will know they are the same thing. They can just say N of A, or they will say card A. Anyone the same thing. Okay. So now P of A means the power of A. And in this case, they say we should find the power of B. The power of a set has a formula. The formula is simply 2 raised to power n. 2 raised to power n. So in this case, should be what? 2 raised to power n for B is what? 4. So 2 raised to power 4. And 2 raised to power 4 is what? 16. So the power of set B is 16. And who can tell me the definition for power of a set? Who can tell me what power of a set is? Now listen. What is cardinality of a set? Let's start from there. The number of what? Elements of that set. Now what is power of a set? The number of subsets of that set. So know the difference. The cardinality of a set A means what? The number of elements in that set A. Are you with me? The power of set A is now what? The number of all the subsets of set A. Do you understand it now? Let me repeat. The cardinality of set A means what? The number of what? Elements in set A. Are you with me? Then the power of set A simply means the number of all the subsets of set A. You want again now? Write it down. No? The cardinality of set A means the number of all the elements in set A. Write it down. The cardinality of set A means the number of all the elements in set A. Write that down. The cardinality of set A means the number of all the subsets of set A. The cardinality of set A means the number of all the subsets of set A. Then the power of set A, the power, right? The power of set A is now the number of all the subsets of set A. You understand the difference? This one is element, this one is subset. That's the difference. Cardinality is talking about element, while power is talking about what? Subsets. So that's the difference between them. So the power of set A is the number of all the subsets of set A. Right then? So now, we are going to do number 17 as the last thing. So let us do number 15 and number 18. So now, look up. Look up. Let me give you the formula for A cross B. What? A cross B is simply the set of A comma B like this, such that that A must be coming from A and B must be coming from B. That's the formula. But you don't know this. You don't need this formula I wrote. Let me explain what the formula means. The formula means anytime they say you should cross A with B, it means pick any element and put them in bracket like this. You don't repeat. But you can repeat. The repetition in this case, repeat. Please, in this case, you can repeat. So what we are going to have is what you. So it means we are going to open two brackets such that the first person I'm writing must come from A, and the second person I'm writing must come from B. So if you go to A and B, that means I'm going to have what? A comma B, A comma C, A comma I and A comma A. 0. So I'm done with A. We move to E. That's how you'll be writing it till you are done with everybody. It's simple. Is that not? Let's try it. So in this case, I'm going to have what? A, comma. The next two I'm going to have should be what? God bless you. A, comma B. The next two I'm going to have is what? A, comma I. Thank you. The next two I'm going to have is what? A, comma O. The next one I'm going to have is what? E, comma A. God bless you. So that's how you write it till you exhaust everybody here. All right, write it. Let me see. So if you are done with E, you go to I. If you are done with I, you go to O. If you are done with O, you go to U. So that is for cross. That's how to write cross. So if you are done with that, you now do B cross A for me. Let me start it for you. B cross A is now resuming from B now. So the first person I'm writing should come from B. That is A comma A. A comma what? E. A comma what? I. A comma what? A comma O and A comma U. A comma U. Then now continue with B. B comma A, B comma E, B comma I, B comma O, B comma U. Then now start with I. That's how you complete it. So complete two of them before we now look at. Yes, question. Yes. No, when you get here, when you get I, it now be I comma A. Yes. I comma A is different from A comma I. They are not the same. So permit me to clean here. Right? No, are you not seeing my audience are watching from there? I cannot do landscape because it's live video. If it's not live video, I should have done it landscape. So we're using just one board for today. So 5. Now, look at what they say we should do for question number 17. That's the last thing I'm going to do here. Then we'll now talk about the diagram. Now, for question number 17, Question number 17 said we should what? We should list all the subset of set B. Now, before you list the subset of any set, you need to find the power of that set. Why do we need to find the power? You can tell me why we need to find the power. God bless you, to know how many they are, to know the number they are before we start listing them. They say we should list all the subsets of set B. So we need the power first. The power will tell us, okay, they are 16 in number. So anything I'm listing must be what? 16 in number. Are you with me? You will watch how to list them. Watch me now. In listing the subset of set A, you start with empty set first. Empty set. You now go to set 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Pick 1, 1, 1. Set A, you close. Set B, you close. Set I, you close. Set O, you close. I started with nothing, nobody. I now continue with 1, 1, 1 person. The next thing I should do is what? 2, 2, 2 people, right? 2, 2. Well, let's go to 2, 2. Let's go. A and what? B. Another one. A and I. God bless you. Another one. Oh, child of God. God bless you. A and O. Another one. B and I. God bless you. B and I. Another one. B and O. God bless you. Another one. I and O. So we are done with 2, 2, 2. Who can tell me the next step now? 3, 3. Oh, yeah, tell me the 3, 3, 3. Let's go. A, B, and what? I. Thank you. Another one. A, B, and O. A, B, and what? O. Another one. A, I, and O. You are brilliant. Thank you. A, I, and O. God bless you. The next one. B, I, and O. B, I, and O. So let's count how many they are. Check first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we are done with 3, 3, 3. We now go to what? 4, 4, 4. And the only 4 4s that here is what? A, B, I, and O. We are done. They are 16 in number. They are 16 in number. And they must be 16. And according to my formula, you will see that they are 16 in number according to my formula. But there is a difference between listing the subset and listing the proper subset. I taught you that before. If you hear the word proper, the last one must not be there. The set itself must not be there. If you hear proper. If you hear proper, there will be 15 in number. And 15 in number is because we will remove this one. If they are talking about the proper subset. But if they do not include the word proper, then it should be 16 in number. A, B, I, and O. So please take note of that. They will use that to confuse you in exam. If they use the word proper, know that the set itself must not be there. If they use the word proper. Take note of that. So we are going to enter Venn diagram. If you are done writing, please write fast so that we now enter Venn diagram. Venn diagram. The diagram that is inside your vein. Is that true? Venn diagram means what? Yes. You have the diagram inside your vein. It is called what? Venn diagram. Nonsense. You think I don't know English? Somebody who knows English is called what? An Englishan. Is that true? Nonsense. Please, someone who knows mathematics is called what? A mathematician. Not too. Like me now, I'm a mathematician. And I equally know English. So what do they call me now? English and rubbish. Please, there is not English and